Is your Hyundai Ioniq failing to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without your maps and music? Statistically, most connection glitches are caused by simple cable, wear, or minor software handshake bugs. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your system back online. Start by swapping your USB cable for a certified one, then clear the device pairing from both the head unit and your phone. Dig into the Ioniq settings menu to verify projection is enabled and try a hard reset of the head unit if needed. Don't forget to check your iPhone's screen time restrictions, as these often block CarPlay from launching automatically. Most issues are solvable at home, but a damaged USB port module will require a professional shop visit. Data shows that simply replacing your cable resolves the vast majority of connection failures. If you're still stuck, check your interior fuses or visit your dealer to request a formal head unit firmware flash. Keep a basic toolkit handy, including an MFI certified cable and a scanner to handle these minor electrical gremlins. Remember that modern vehicle technology relies on clean data paths and current software to stay reliable. If this helped you reconnect, hit like and subscribe for more Ioniq maintenance tips.